l'adjectif employé en fonction de nom. And we can start right now. So it's quite interesting because we've been seeing in the previous video the situation when you can use an adjective as an adverb, and basically it's quite interesting because in this video we will discover that it's possible as well to make some nouns based on the adjectives. Okay, so it's actually quite simple. You will just take your adjective, okay, and then if it's possible, because it's not possible in all the situations, we will see that, but then if it's possible, you will get, well, whether une forme masculine or then une forme féminine, or in some situations you will get both. Okay, so basically you just put the masculine form of your adjective and you put an article before that, un, or then la forme féminine, and you put an article before that, une, okay, or it could be le and la, and you will get your noun. Okay, so it's quite simple. So let's see now. For instance, if we take the example of belle, okay, so it's the adjective beautiful and it's the feminine form, all right, and then it's possible to use this as a noun, une belle, okay, une belle, so it means a beautiful lady, une belle, okay, or then we can take, for instance, this adjective sportif, and in that case here you've got the masculine sportif and you've got the feminine sportive, all right, and well, you will make un sportif and then une sportive, so two nouns actually constructed based on the adjectives. All right, for the translation, here it is, belle, une belle, sportif, sportive, so l'adjective, and then un sportif, une sportive. Jeune, so you can see here that we've got the masculine form and the feminine form. They are the same, but I wanted to put them both anyway. So you will get un jeune and you will get une jeune. Okay, so you don't change it, you just put the article, un et une. Same thing here, vieux and then vieille, un vieux and then une vieille. Okay, well, clearly it's not really polite, but you can hear it, so it's used. All right, so jeune and then vieux and vieille. Okay, so let's hear now, or let's look at other adjectives that will make nouns. So this one is quite interesting because rouge, so we're talking about the colors, okay, so rouge, so it could be green, it could be anything else, but then rouge, and in that case, well, of course you've got only one possibility because you don't have the masculine and the feminine, so it will be masculine, un rouge. Okay, then bon, so in that case you can use the masculine and the feminine. You're talking about a person who is talented, who is good in something, un bon, une bonne, okay, it can be something else than a person as well. Mauvais, un mauvais, une mauvaise, so same thing, it can be for a person or for a thing. Mou, un mou, une molle. Gentil, un gentil, une gentille. Méchant, un méchant, une méchante. Okay, so you can see that in all these cases here you've got the masculine and the feminine, but keep in mind that in some cases, like for the colors here, rouge, it will be only, you know, whether masculine or feminine. In this case it's masculine. Okay, let's see now the translation. Rouge, bon, mauvais, mou, gentil, méchant.